A new roof is one of the biggest checks you'll ever write on your home. So what does it really cost in Savannah in 2026? Real local numbers in about 3 minutes. These prices come straight from Talya roofing jobs across Savannah, Pooler, Richmond Hill, and the islands. And every one includes materials, labor, tear-off, disposal, and cleanup. Start with the headline. Architectural shingles, the roof most Savannah homeowners choose, run $10,000 to $14,000 installed on a typical 2,000 square foot home. Material is the biggest lever. Architectural shingles are the popular pick, around $12,000 installed. Flat TPO runs about $18,000, premium designer shingles $19,000, and 26-gauge standing seam metal tops out near $22,000. Metal costs more up front, but it can last 40 to 70 years. That's standing seam metal, pricier up front, but decades of coastal durability. So why do two similar homes on the same street get quotes $5,000 apart? A handful of factors move your number. First, pitch. Steeper roofs need more safety rigging and slower work. That adds 15 to 25% to labor. Second, layers. Georgia allows 2 shingle layers at most. If you already have 2, a full tear-off adds $1,000 to $3,000. Third, the coastal wind code. Chatham County requires shingles rated for 130 mile-per-hour winds nailed 6 times, not 4. It rules out the bargain options. Then the details stack up. Custom flashing at every chimney and valley, a synthetic underlayment upgrade, and that steep pitch premium. Location matters too. Richmond Hill and Pooler sit at the friendlier end. Downtown's historic homes run higher, and out at the landings, larger roofs reach $30,000. Most of these are architectural shingles, the sweet spot of price and performance. The major brands land within about $2,000 of each other, so price isn't the deciding factor. Atlas Pinnacle Pristine is the standout for value. It's the only major brand with lifetime algae protection, which really matters in our humid coastal climate. One more thing to watch for. Older roofs often hide rotted decking that has to be replaced, an added cost. But when the damage is storm-related, the right insurance policy can cover it, and we help you navigate the whole claim. Now, 5 ways to bring your costs down, and this is the big one. If your roof has storm damage, an approved insurance claim can save you $8,000 to $15,000. Beyond that, a partial replacement saves 40 to 60%, 0% financing spreads the cost, off-season scheduling is faster and cheaper, and choosing Atlas keeps quality high for less. One warning before you sign. If a cheap quote skips the building permit, uses 4 nails instead of 6, drops the ice and water shield, or won't give you a line item breakdown, that low price will cost you later. A real quote spells everything out. Full tear-off and deck inspection, synthetic underlayment with ice and water shield, new flashing, a magnetic nail sweep, and a registered manufacturer warranty. One last number. Savannah roofing costs rose another 8 to 12% this year. Waiting rarely makes a roof cheaper. Get a free no-obligation inspection and a line item quote with no hidden fees. Call Talya Roofing at 912-999-7989 or visit talyaroofing.com.